Plant FAQs. Colocasia light pillar. Colocasia light pillar. FAQs by Ferb. The Colocasia light pillar is a stunning elephant ear plant that has captured the hearts of many plant enthusiasts. With its tall, upright form and vibrant green foliage, it adds a touch of the tropics to any indoor space. But before you bring this beauty home, let's address some common questions about the Colocasia light pillar. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What is the Colocasia light pillar? The Colocasia light pillar is a cultivar, cultivated variety, of the Araceae family, known for its large, arrow-shaped leaves. This particular variety stands out for its vertical growth habit. Unlike its sprawling cousins, the light pillar grows straight up, resembling a green pillar, hence the name. What are the ideal light conditions for the Colocasia light pillar? The Colocasia light pillar thrives in bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so avoid placing it near south-facing windows. East or north-facing windows provide the perfect amount of filtered light. If natural light is limited, supplement with grow lights positioned a few feet away from the plant. How much water does the Colocasia light pillar need? The Colocasia light pillar enjoys consistently moist soil, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so err on the side of underwatering. During the winter months, when growth slows, you can reduce watering frequency. What kind of soil is best for the Colocasia light pillar? A well-draining, airy potting mix is ideal for the Colocasia light pillar. Look for a mix specifically formulated for aroids or African violets. You can also create your own by combining potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark for optimal drainage and aeration. Does the Colocasia light pillar need fertilizer? During the growing season, spring and summer, you can fertilize your Colocasia light pillar once a month with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can cause mineral buildup and damage the roots. In the winter, fertilizer application can be stopped completely. How big does the Colocasia light pillar get? The Colocasia light pillar can reach a mature height of 3 to 4 feet, with leaves spanning 1 to 2 feet wide. Its compact size compared to other elephant ear varieties makes it a great choice for indoor spaces with limited floor area. How is the Colocasia light pillar different from the Alocasia zebrina? While both the Colocasia light pillar and the Alocasia zebrina are stunning aroid plants, they have some key differences. The Colocasia light pillar has solid green, arrow-shaped leaves, while the Alocasia zebrina boasts dark green leaves with prominent white veins. Additionally, the Alocasia zebrina has a more compact growth habit and prefers slightly drier conditions compared to the Colocasia light pillar. Is the Colocasia light pillar toxic? Yes, the Colocasia light pillar is toxic to both humans and pets if ingested. The calcium oxalate crystals present in the leaves can cause irritation, mouth swelling, and even vomiting if consumed. Keep this plant out of reach of children and curious pets. How do I propagate the Colocasia light pillar? The Colocasia light pillar can be propagated by division during repotting. Carefully remove the plant from its pot and separate the pups, baby plants, growing at the base. Each pup should have its own set of roots. Repot the divisions in individual pots with fresh potting mix and care for them as you would the mature plant. Does the Colocasia light pillar have any special needs? The Colocasia light pillar appreciates high humidity levels. Grouping it with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase the surrounding moisture. Additionally, maintaining warm temperatures around 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal for optimal growth. By following these simple care tips, you can ensure your Colocasia light pillar thrives and adds a touch of vibrant greenery to your home. Remember, consistent watering, bright indirect light, and well-draining soil are key to keeping this tropical beauty happy. With proper care, your Colocasia light pillar will reward you with its majestic presence for years to come.